Hi guys, it is day 20 of Art Journal Habit 2018. The prompt list is on Art Joy Sharing, which is our Facebook group, and Chelsea and I are doing a month-long challenge if you haven't heard about it already. And come and join us. You know, it's still not too late. Just remember, if you try to join the Facebook group, to answer the questions, because we want to make sure that you're not a robot or something else. And yeah, today's prompt is bush. So I have used some, what do they call this stuff? This is called metallic gilding polish. And just put a layer of that down for my background. And now I'm just going to paint my bushes. I'm just using some gesso from DecoArt to do my painting. I'm also going to add a little bit of Lumiere pewter, which is a gray tone, in my fan brush, just to layer these things up. But that's basically what I'm doing today, so you can watch the process, and I will let you do that now, and I will see you again tomorrow. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell if you want notifications, and thanks guys. Bye.